Hello everybody and welcome back to this tutorial, and right now let us wrap up our program and finish this students count function right here as well. So all we have to do is add right here else if option equals to students count. We can simply just use this student, or pardon me, the actual student, and then call the count variable from the class itself. As we can see right here, we used it so we can call it outside of the class as well. So we will just print right here total amount of students is %d, and then we can simply just add the actual stu count variable. So right here, student dot stu count. Make sure to name it as its name is. So right here, if we call it in the program, so let me just save it, run module. Let us add a certain user. So add Adam, everything is Adam. If we display the information for Adam, we can see everything gets displayed. If we just type here students count, we can see that the total amount of students is 1. So right now, if we go to the add once again and type mark, and we just type students count once again, you can see total amount of students is 2. So our program works correctly. We can see that it does indeed print out the amount of students. So all we are left to do right now is also add the usage option. So actually users know which commands to specify. Usage will be equal to something like this. So let us do it like this. Add a student to the class. \n q quit the program, once again \n, and the last option is the actual, let me just find it, where is it, how did we call it, display. Okay, so display the student information, or the last added student information, because we remember from the previous video that once you actually specify the last student or add it to the class, it will print out that student's information once you actually type display. Okay, so display the last student information, and the students count amount of students. Okay, so everything works well. All we are left to do is save this right here, run it. Okay, we get our help option right here, enter the option you desire. If we just try right now to print the students count, we can see the total amount of students is 0. If we go on add, let's call him Adam, last name John, enter the subject, math, and grade C. And then with display, we can see everything displays first name, last name, subject, math, grade. And then we just type here students count, and we can see that the actual amount of students is 1. Okay, and then we press Q, and that will quit the program. Okay, so what we coded right here is a simple program, not really that useful, but it did cover most of the things that we did by now, such as functions, classes, if statements, while loops, the string manipulation. As we can see right here, we use the \n to change the line, which is good. And then we also added some of the input statements right here, print statements using the %d, which, if you remember, stands for an integer value. The %s is an actual string value. And then we print out this certain student information, add students, print the amount of students, and so on and so on. So if you want to, you can make this program a little bit more better. For now on, all we actually wanted to do is check out all of this stuff, how it works together. And we saw that And what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to take a look at some of the more advanced examples of using classes. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!